My dear students, I am Pradeep Kumar, mathematics teacher. I have 40 years teaching experience in mathematics. I want to conduct main important chapters for 10th standard students. We know examination is coming. So some important chapters, that is, I want to take first the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence in which terms increase or decrease regularly with a constant number, that is 5, 8, 11, etc. When we check this sequence, we know when we add 3 to this first number 5, we will get second number. When we add 3 to second number, we will get third number, that is 11. This sequence is an arithmetic progression. So to check whether a sequence is an arithmetic progression, we must subtract first term from second term, that is 8 minus 5, which must be equal to, when we subtract second term from the third term, that is 11 minus 8. 8 minus 5 is equal to 11 minus 8. So this is equal to 3. So 5, 8, 11 is an arithmetic progression. That is, first term is 5, common difference is 3, and second term is 8, third term is 11, then fourth term is 14, then fifth term is 17, and etc. etc. So we can calculate fifth term, sixth term, 10th term, etc. But to find out 100th term, it is too difficult in an examination hall. So because of that, there is a formula, that is nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, n is the number of terms, d is the common difference. So we can use this formula to find out any number of this arithmetic progression. For example, we know fourth term is 14. So we can find out using this formula, this fourth term, that is a is equal to 5. Common difference d is equal to, that is, subtract first term from the second term, that is 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. So first term is 5, common difference is 3. So to find out fourth term, we know fourth term is 14. So we can use this formula to find out this fourth term, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is equal to 4, that is fourth term. So a4 equal a plus 4 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 3d. Fourth term is a plus 3d, that is equal to 5 plus 3 into d is common difference, that is 3. 5 plus 3 into 3, that is equal to 5 plus 9, that is equal to 14. We know fourth term is 14. Similarly, you can find out 100th term or 200th term using this formula. So this is the first formula in this arithmetic progression, that is an equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Then we know sometimes the common difference will be minus. For example, 10, then 6, then 2, etc. In this case, this is also an arithmetic progression. In this case, first term is 10, that is a is equal to 10. Common difference d, d is equal to that is subtract first term from the second term. So this will be equal to 6 minus 10, that is equal to minus 4. So to find out third term using this formula, we can find out. We know third term is 2. So use this formula, that is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is third term, that is n equal to 3. So a3 equal a plus 3 minus 1 into d. That is equal to a plus 2d. That is equal to a is 10. 10 plus 2 into d is minus 4. That is 10 plus 2 into minus 4. 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8. So this will be equal to 10 minus 8. That is equal to 2. Here 2 is the third term. Then sometimes third term and fifth term will give. For example, third term of an arithmetic progression, that is 6, 10, 14, then 18, then 22, then 26. This is an arithmetic progression. 6, 10, 14, 18, 22, 26. This is an arithmetic progression. So in this arithmetic progression, sometimes the question may come like this. That is, third term is given. Third term of an arithmetic progression is 14. Third term is given. A3 is equal to 14. And fifth term is 22. Fifth term is 22. That is A5 is equal to 22. Then find out the progression, arithmetic progression. So third term is given, fifth term is given. We must find out the arithmetic progression. We know arithmetic progression is 6, 10, 14, 18, 22, 26, etc. But they will ask like this, third term is given, that is A3 is equal to 14. Then fifth term is, that is A5 equal to 22. So A3 is equal to 14 means A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. That is equal to 14. That is A plus 2D. That is equal to 14. Equation number 1. This equation number 1 will be like this. That is A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Similarly, fifth term, that is A5 equal A plus 5 minus 1 into D. That is equal to A plus 4D. That is equal to 22. So equation number 2 will be like this. So see, there is a peculiarity here. A5 will be A plus 4D. A3 will be A plus 2D. So A6 will be A plus 5D. A10 will be A plus 9D. So A5 equal to A plus 4D. So we will get two equations. That is equation number 1 and equation number 2. So to find out common difference, subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. Either equation number 1 from equation number 2 or equation number 2 from equation number 1. Here we will subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2 because equation number 22 is greater than 14. So this will be equation number 2 minus equation number 1. That is A plus 4D minus A plus 2D. A will cancel. 4D minus 2D, that is equal to 2D. 2D equal to 22 minus 14. That is equal to 2D is equal to 8. Therefore, D is equal to 8 divided by 2. That is equal to 4. Common difference equal to 4. To find out the first term A, substitute the value of D either in equation number 1 or in equation number 2. So, we can substitute in equation number 1. A plus 2D is equal to 14. That is, a plus 4d or a plus 4d is equal to 22. We can substitute either in equation number 1 or in equation number 2. So a plus 4d is equal to 22. So a plus 4 into d is 4. 4 into 4 is equal to 22. Therefore, a plus 16 equal to 22. A is equal to 22 minus 16, that is equal to 6. So first term is 6. We know first term is 6. Common difference is 4. So we can make the arithmetic progression 6 and add 4 to this 6. So we will get 10, second term. Then add 4 to this second term. So we will get a third term. So sometimes this type question they may ask. Then another thing is, in arithmetic progression, sometimes some questions will come like this. For example, an is given, an, that is an equal 5 plus 8. An is given. Find out arithmetic progression. An is given, that is general term. Nth term is given, that is an equal to 5n plus 8. So, to make an arithmetic progression, put n equal to 1, that is a1 equal 5 into 1 plus 8, that is equal to 5 plus 8, that is equal to 13. First term is 13. To find out second term, that is a2 is equal to, put n equal to 2. So 5 into 2 plus 8, that is equal to 10 plus 8, that is equal to 18. Second term is 18. First term is 13. Second term is 18. Then third term, a3 equal 5 into 3 plus 8, that is equal to 15 plus 8, that is equal to 23. Therefore, arithmetic progression will be 13, 18, 23, etc. So, nth term is given. So, we can find out arithmetic progression. Next is, we know nth term is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Another thing is, in an arithmetic progression, sum of n terms, Sn, that is we know 5, then 11, then 17, etc. This is an arithmetic progression. In this arithmetic progression, sum of n terms, that is given by the formula Sn equal n by 2 into a plus an. This is one formula, that is first term plus last term. A is the first term, an equal to last term. That is Sn equal n by 2 into a plus, what is an? An is the formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. Expand an, that is a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to n by 2 into a plus a, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find out sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an, that is first term plus last term. So sum of n terms, Sn equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then we can use this formula to find out sum of these three terms of this above sequence. That is 5, 11, 17. What is the sum? That is 5 plus 11 plus 17. That is equal to 5 plus 11, that is 16. 16 plus 17, that is equal to 33. We know it. But we can find out using this formula. Find out sum of three terms of the above arithmetic progression. S3. We know first term of this arithmetic progression A is equal to 5. Then common difference D is equal to first term you must subtract from the second term, that is 11 minus 5, that is equal to 6. Then sum of three terms, so n equal to 3. We know sum of three terms of this arithmetic progression is 33, we know it, but we can find out using this formula. So S3 equal, that is Sn equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, S3 equal 3 by 2 into a plus an. First term we know, last term we know. So, we can directly use this formula or we can use this formula. Either this formula or this formula, because we know first term and last term. So, S3 is equal to 3 by 2 into a plus an. That is 5 plus 17, that is equal to 3 by 2 into 5 plus 17, that is 22. 3 into 11, that is 33. That we know, that is 33. Or you can use this formula, that is n by 2, that is 3 by 2 into 2a, that is 2 into 5 plus 3 minus 1 into common difference. Common difference is 6. That is equal to 3 by 2 into 2 into 5, that is 10, plus 3 minus 1 into 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 into 6, that is 12. That is equal to 3 by 2 into 10 plus 12, that is 22. That is 3 into 11, that is 33. So, sum of n terms, that is equal to Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an, or n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So, we will continue this video class, because we will answer some important questions from the previous year question paper. First, you must understand what is the subject. Examination is what? Examination is a third party is checking whether you know. So, first you must check yourself. Then allow a third party to check you. So, examination, first you must study or study for knowledge. So, you can easily pass any examination including IAS. First, study for knowledge. So, understand what is the subject. So, mathematics is a good subject. First, you must love mathematics. Then mathematics will give you 100 marks. Because 100 mark, no other subject, it is not easy to get theory paper 100 marks. But mathematics will give you 100 marks. Similarly, mathematics will give you 0 mark also. So, study very well. Wish you all the best. Don't worry. Be not afraid anything. You will do the marvelous work. The moment you fear, you are nothing. Say to everybody, I have no fear. God bless you.